We're moving away from just presenting out on specific topics, but focusing on more of the workshop mentality, making it tangible and safe learning environment for people to really practice. But then there's also the opportunity to apply this in our AI practical lab. So the next step is that Dirk is adding another piece of the puzzle to leverage this business case for the AI practical labs. And I know that after our last Design Charrette, the team took the action planning worksheet and leveraged AI to help complete the document, but also just add some additional context around it. So there's a lot of opportunities to continue the conversation with this, and we appreciate whatever you're able to join us for. And then lastly, you've seen our team in action today, getting to take on different roles. We would love to have you participate and join the community, but also practice these elements in a safe learning environment, or get some support for a business challenge that you're faced with in your organization. So if you would like to play the role of the internal client or the strategist, if you could please reach out to Dirk or myself, so we can talk about timing on that. It's just really important for this to be peer driven, and your scenarios, your case studies, the situations that you're dealing with in your day-to-day help to make our community stronger.
And the role playing, just real quick with everybody, this was really powerful. So it's a chance for us to practice these different roles. It's also awesome for you to think about your direct reports or people on your team, to give them the experience. So yeah, this is just a great opportunity for not only you, but also for your team.